What's up, YouTube? I'm Jeff, and you're watching the NYC Corvette channel. Have you ever wondered about the age of a set of tires on your car or on a used car that you were interested in buying? Well, today I'm going to share with you how to determine the age of a car tire. Now, when it comes to determining the age of a tire, it's really easy. You can read the tire identification number that's molded into the tire's sidewall. Now, tire identification numbers are really batch codes that identify the week and the year that the tire was produced. Now, for a tire that was manufactured since 2000, the week and the year of the tire produced has been provided by the last 4 digits of the tire identification number. The first 2 of those digits would identify the week of the year that the tire was produced, and the last 2 digits would represent the year that the tire was produced. All right, here are a couple of examples of tires manufactured since the year 2000 with the current tire identification number format. Now, if you look at the tire on the left, the tire ID starts with DOT, followed by 12 digits, numbers, and letters. They're broken up across 2 bubbles. The last 4 digits of the second bubble shows the 51st week of the year 2007. Now, if this tire was on your vehicle or on a vehicle that you were looking to buy, it is time to replace this tire immediately because it is older than the manufacturer's recommended 6-year limit. Now, the tire on the right, after DOT, it's broken up across 3 bubbles. And the 4 digits in the last bubble show the 44th week of 2021. So if this tire was on your car or on a car that you were looking to buy, these tires are okay, and they should be replaced starting late 2026 or early 2027 to get it in under that 6-year replacement recommendation. Now, some of you are asking, what if the tire is manufactured before 2000? Once a tire is beyond 6 years old, it should be replaced. Now remember, when looking at tires on your car or a prospective addition to your collection, please pay close attention to the age of the tires. It's a matter of life or death, and we want to keep you around. Now, we want to hear from you in the comments. How old are your tires? Do they need replacing? Leave a comment below. We'd like to know. And with that being said, this is Jeff, and I am signing off. I hope this video has been valuable to you. If so, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and do leave comments because not only does it help the channel to grow, but it helps us as a community to grow. So, with that being said, this is Jeff, and I'll see you running the streets.